start this one off like this. Going through my photo album of pictures I appropriated from my dad's photo album back in the 80s. I was, as you see us together here. Hold on. Let me do it over here. Better light. Me and my sister, my graduation shots. First day of Great America when it opened. Across the street from our house, many people watch my videos. How the house used to look when I was a kid. My dad had Volkswagens. Hence, when we was little, the first Volkswagen was this one. He was in a Volkswagen club. And later on, he made another Volkswagen. His friend Spoon, who was an AJ in a Volkswagen club. That's my Uncle Ben and my Uncle Charles. They both had Volkswagens. And with them was when, there's a Disneyland ticket from, let me get this one out of here. His Volkswagen with the flared out fenders, 5-lug conversion. Rudy J was on the plate when he moved to Oregon. And here's another picture of it with his Pinto, his Porsche, his Pinto again, his Chevelle. My dad had lots of cars as a kid. So I was talking to him and I said, hey, we were talking about cars, and he was like, he wanted to get an old car. I said, he wanted an old Chevy, because we used to have a 66 Caprice, pictured back here with some 64 Impala hubcaps on it. And there it is again, with my cousin's fastback in the background, Clay's car. And we said he wanted a Caprice. Well, those were kind of, pricey. And I looked around and I didn't see nothing I wanted to spend any money on. I said, well, hey, I found this Volkswagen down at my painter's place. And would you be interested in owning a Volkswagen again? He said, hey, I drive a Volkswagen. Hi, my brother Dorian. I drive a Volkswagen. I said, oh, okay. So going forward, this is where we are. We have a Volkswagen project. Me and my dad. That's me. That's me. That's me. Ooh, 1969. Back when they used to put, I still have this teddy bear too. But, yeah. So, we're going to start this photo album off with that. Let the pictures commence. Interesting. Just talking to a guy about a Volkswagen, which I've never owned a Volkswagen before. But it looks interesting. Has a big JL amp in there. Yeah, I see it's bungee corded down, yeah. I don't want to undo it all the way, then I got to put it all the way back on. So this side would be good right here. Oh, yeah, this is cool enough. Let's see what's going on the inside. And he's locked the door on that side. Yeah, it's locked. But, let me see something. Even though it is locked, let's see if my ingenuity serves me right. Not that I've ever done this before, guys, but I figured things out. Let me see. Where's the roll it down? Well, if I can find, oh, it's right about here. Has to be unlocked. Well, maybe the door is just stuck. Okay, we got some basic interior, upgraded, somewhat interior, upgraded seats.
Oh, look at that glove box door.
Hey, look, that's some custom work right there. That might change the price. Okay, let me see. Battery in the back. That's pretty goddamn solid, guys. I don't know. I don't know. Yep, it's in there. All motor. Interesting. People mover, Volkswagen. For my memory, what year is that again? 69, 70. You have pink slip and whatnot and all that kind of things?
He has pink slips.
So he's a person to call, you're a person going to get the money. Okay, we will work it.
The front end.
This your father right here?
No.
Oh,
I was talking about it.
Oh, this is your, I didn't know.
Yeah.
Got you.
The front end has this kit I put on. So if you want to lift it or lower it, you unscrew these two screws and it has knurlings. And you can lower it or lift it. It's at neutral right now, basically.
Okay, so the height it's sitting right now is the height it normally sits at?
Right.
The big ass gap that's between the wheels is how it normally sits?
No.
No.
I'm going to go with it's 2 notches above stock thing.
Oh, so you can bring it back down to current normal height.
You drop it a lot.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
It's just, it's like a weird screw that drops through on the top 2 beams. And then there's this plate that goes here and the screw pops through. You unscrew this, that knurling lets you do this, that thing spins.
Okay.
And you lock it up wherever you want your suspension. Like you just lift the front and then screw it.
So does the back come down also too, or just that's only for the front?
Just got, that doesn't have a kit. It's just new bushings and then you pull it out and change. And
Oh, okay.
So I
you
think
change.
it's 1 notch up in the rear and then whatever the front is that kit.
Okay. I got good pictures. I'm going to consider what I might do here. And we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. All right, for sure. I know where it's at now. I'm going to keep this video to myself because nobody else needs to know. All right. You guys have a good day. All right.